So something that I've been doing it for a few years now is swapping from normal wrapping paper to like brown like packagey paper, and then like just tying it with like a bit of string, which then you, like in theory you could probably repurpose, but it's much more sustainable and easier.
We do exactly the same as that. We use recyclable paper for everyone's gifts, and we make it nicer with like ribbon, and then we steal the ribbon back. We don't let them have the ribbons because we'll use them again the next year.
You know, it's kind of green in a way, isn't it, to have a plastic Christmas tree? Or is it not? Like, using the same plastic Christmas tree for 10 years.
That's an oxymoron. Do you chop down trees or do you make them out of plastic?
Exactly.
I don't know what's better. I don't know.
No.
As long as you keep it for 10 years, I suppose it's better than cutting down 10 trees.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, and then you can chuck it in landfill.
You're welcome.
Yeah, turtles.
My best friends actually sent me an advent calendar in the post because they're lovely. And then I looked at what it was wrapped in and I realised it was an inside-out Waitrose bag. To try and make things more green, I'm going to use my like Co-op bags, my Tesco bags, other brands are available, and I'm going to wrap everything in those. Yeah, thank you, Rob and Dan.
Who?
My best friends.
Rob and Dan.
Yeah, Rob and Dan.
We'll give my dog all the leftover food, so it's not going to waste.
What I'm doing to make my Christmas greener is I'm actually getting all of the food and stuff seasonal, so I'm not buying anything that is not being made in the UK or around local recently. I'm only going to get stuff from a place called The Good Shed in Canterbury because it's all completely local, sustainably sourced. Keep it local, keep it nice and support my own community.
I think I'm much more aware of buying crap and not buying crap. Like in previous years, just buying presents for the sake of it. I don't think I do that anymore.
No.
I don't just, you know, like boots, the 3 for 2 box sets in boots.
They're
like,
so good, but they're pointless.
what a waste of money.
Yeah.
And cardboard and plastic.
Eating the tree when we're done with it. I'm wrapping my presents in newspaper this year. I found this video on TikTok of how to like make bows out of newspaper.
Oh, nice.
So I'm doing that.
That's good. Look forward to seeing that.
Yeah, but my mum said they look like a fish and chip shop. That's the only thing.
No, not a bad thing.
No.
I'm trying to resist putting my heating on as much as possible, which probably lends itself to why that's the worst part of Christmas for me. And yeah, I just spend my life perpetually just in a dressing gown wrapped up.
That is true.
And,
Like a duvet wrapped around you as well.